Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to delete Dairy Queen account. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for My Account at the upper right side of the screen. Click on My Account. Then on this page, you will see an option for Profile and Settings. Click on Profile and Settings. On this page, scroll down a little, then you will see an option for Delete Account. Click on Delete Account. Now, enter all the required information. Then click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot. After that, click on Submit. That's how you delete Dairy Queen account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.